Okay, so now sometimes you want to have a variable that can take on not numerical values, maybe not true false values either, but variables that can take on just a single character. So you might have something that takes on the character A or some of these other characters. For example, this one, Japanese, or this one, or maybe you want to take on the character equals or any other character. In Visual Basic, a character is stored by the CHAR. I don't know how that's pronounced, but I pronounce it CHAR data type as a 2-byte unsigned integer. That's kind of weird, but it's stored as an integer, 16 bits. So it's 2 bytes, so it's 16 bits. And the range, if it's 2 bytes, would be this. So for a given character, this integer uniquely identifies the represented character. This is called the Unicode representation. So Unicode is some code that we've decided on, and a particular integer will represent the character A, another integer will represent the character B, and so on. And these are unsigned, so just we have some number between here and here which represents A, some number between here and here that represents B, and so on. And that correspondence between those numbers and those characters is called the Unicode code or the Unicode representation. Okay. Obviously, you could come up with any. You could say the number 80 stands for A, or you could say the number 75 stands for A. It's arbitrary, but there's one particular coding that is called the Unicode representation that's used often. Conversely, a variable of type char may take this many distinct values, each of which is the corresponding unique character. Char variables are useful in processing strings. So we'll talk about strings next. A character variable is declared as follows. So this is how you declare it. Dim, the character name, as char. And you can also set a value to it if you want. Note that when assigning a value to char, the assigned character is enclosed in double quotes. So in Visual Basic, you have to put double quotes around it. You could do something like this.